I think I might be... gay.
Gay?
Well, just a little bit.
I turned another one?
It could be just a phase.
Oh, please. Can you list any tracks on Madonna's Like a Prayer album?
Express Yourself, Cherish, Oh Father...
Vogue?
No, honey, Vogue was on Dick Tracy.
It's not a fucking phase. You're full-fledged homo. Jesus, what did I do?
Well, didn't you ever suspect? I mean, I am a little...
I know what you mean. We're all just people. Just bodies with organic needs. We need satisfaction. We shouldn't deny our bodies. Let's not deny our bodies.
It's not gonna work this time. I'm pretty gay.
I was good enough for you last night, you fucking faggot.
Well, you're not being very positive about this.
I couldn't be any more positive if I was gang raped in a repository bin at the needle exchange. All I do is help gays come out. So who are you fucking?
Well, I haven't had sex yet.
Ha!
I mean, except with you. And some other girl.
Get out!
Can't we be like best friends or something?
I already have a gay best friend.
Yeah. Mark. Is he single?
Get out!
It's like I'm on a conveyor belt. A little piece of sushi. Nobody wants. You looking for Mr. Right now?
Please, I'll settle for Mr. 5 minutes ago.
Sorry. No prop? Well,
Joey! Just remember, every time you suck a dick, every time you poke some boy in the brown eye, just remember that you've eaten pussy. You ate pussy and you liked it! You came!
hey Gwen, who's your friend?
Oh, Jesus.
Fare thee well, my fairy fair. Who was that? I don't know, he's a newborn. No, the girl.
Gwen,